Welcome back to Antigua. It's November 20th. We just arrived this afternoon and look at this beautiful area. We're at the Jolly Castle. Staying a couple of nights because Monday we are going to splash the boat. You can see over there is the Jolly Marina. The boatyard is right where you see all these masts. Down below here is the marina. There's some boats in there. You see the water glistening there. Boats are in there. Spring peepers are busy. I love hearing that sound. It's making me feel like I'm finally home again. It's just cool. There's this warm breeze on my body. The sound of spring peepers. In the background I hear some bars playing reggae band. And there is the marina. We head usually out of this marina. This is our home port. Right here. The casino sadly has been torn down. You can see kind of just the steel beams that they're taking down one by one apparently because they want to recuperate them and make something else out of them. I don't know. We'll see what happens. So it's a little bit of a different feel here. But anyways, today is Wednesday. We are going to be busy next couple of days getting the boat ready for sailing. There's lots to do, just like when you open up a cottage. On the boat, we have to wash down the walls to make sure there's no mold that's set in, even though we sprayed it in April when she went on the Heart. There's lots to do. Currently, what you see right now is actually the Jolly Beach Resort. It is, I think, almost fully open because look at this over here. That area, that wasn't open last year. Let me go closer. My porch. Give me a second. There. That wasn't open last year. I think it's well worth trying this place out. I've never stayed there. I never ate there, but I know they have a beautiful full beach in front of them. Absolutely gorgeous. One of my favorite beaches on Antigua. There's a few other ones, but I'm not going to tell you that unless you ask. You come to Antigua? Let's chat. There's a few places I could tell you. You should go and see for snorkeling. I haven't been diving, but snorkeling is definitely kind of getting into the feel of that. Places to go and anchor. Like, oh, no, wait, I can't tell you that. Because you need to ask me that. But look at that. This is a cool place to stay. We have many friends here. Everybody is friendly. Dock masters are amazing. The place is, everybody will try to help you if you have the need of something. You hear what I hear? Spring peepers. I'm going to enjoy them right now. So, until then.